Alright, David Harry here, and if you're a GoPro user who's kind of stepped up to the 8 and now using the Media Mod, but on your previous GoPros you may have been using one of those little tiny right angled cardioid microphones for vlogging, you'll now find that that won't work directly with the Media Mod. So what I'm going to show you here is a little tip which may help you to resurrect that microphone with the Media Mod. Okay, so as we can see here is one of those little right angled nano microphones that I build, and this one is a cardioid one as well, so it picks up from its front. So if I go and plug that into the microphone port on the Media Mod, as we can see, it's either going to point up in the air like that, or it will point to the side that way, or if we turn it around there, it will point down at the ground. Now those three positions there are of no use to us, because we need this to be facing forward towards us when we're vlogging, or maybe if you're from behind you can twist it round backwards as well to your voice, but in any event you can't do it as it stands like that. So the solution is very simple. Use one of these, and what this is, it's a little tiny right angled TRS extender. Usually you would use these for headphones and stuff. Now all you do, you just plug your little right angled microphone into that, and then in turn you plug that into the mic port on the Media Mod, and there we have it. Now we can face this forward. Also, what we could do if we want to, we can bring it out to the side like that, and then what that will allow you to do is to put quite a substantial wind filter on if you need to. Also, you can turn it around to the bottom like that, so there's a number of positions now that you can put that microphone in, all facing forward. And then if you want to record from behind, just turn the mic around like that and basically talk from behind as well. Okay, so there we have it then. That's a very simple solution which I'm fairly sure anyone can do. Now you can grab one of these in a link in the description below as well. Okay, so if this video has been helpful in any way, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel and clicking on the bell notification icon for future videos. Also, if you want to see all of my GoPro videos, go to www.gopro9.com, which will initially link to a playlist showing you all of my GoPro Hero8 stuff and the Media Mod stuff that I'll be doing, and then later on that'll be linking to a website which will host all of my GoPro videos. Anyway, I'm David Harry, thank you very much for watching this video, take care and goodbye now.